I'm Fraser Mowat. I'm the general manager here at Harbour Estates Winery. We at first grew peaches, and then in '99 we decided we were going to make a wholesale change, and we planted grapes, and we started the winery. We made the decision to sell in 2021. We've had a lot of suitors over the past few years, but we decided in 2021, after going through the pandemic and things, that I think we'd had enough and we wanted to make a change. I met Jason through, I think it was my accountant. So we set up a meeting and I met with him. Of course, I was impressed with some of the things he'd done in the past, and I knew he had sold another winery property previously. My initial impression was that he was cool, calm, and collected, but he had experiences that were going to mean a lot in selling this property properly, so he understood business. So that impressed me. He suggested strongly things like getting an appraisal, which I was a little resistant to at first, but really glad that we went ahead and did it. He spent a lot of time with his team coming down and photographing and doing a lot of video work and things, which ended up putting together just an awesome brochure and package to sell the property. So Jason just kept going, okay, let's get it all together first and make sure we have the package to give people. He was very methodical in how he did it, and I do really appreciate that now. Jason was never one of those guys that said, oh, we need to bring the price down, to make things happen. It was just, the price is right, let's just wait and be patient. I think Jason's background made him different than most of the other realtors. Jason came from a lot of private business. He'd done a lot of large business transactions, so he understood what business was all about. So it wasn't all about being a salesman, it was all about emphasizing the right things, and then of course finding the right person. I'd recommend Jason, especially to sell commercial companies like this. I don't think that we could have gotten a better deal than we got, because he has a background in private business already, so he understands business. He's patient and methodical, and he puts together a package that emphasizes, the good saleable points of it. And so if you listen to him, you're probably going to maximize what you're going to get out of the business.